So the renovation is encompassing all of the school. It's not just one area, it's the entire school that is being renovated. So like behind me, you see the office that they are building right now, and that's where the principal and the assistant principal, the office staff, and the nurse will be housed. This summer they completed A Hall, which is a new wing for kindergarten and first grade. And also upstairs, our 5th grade wing is new, and that work was done this past summer. So in December, we should have a new library, and at that time, we'll be moving 3rd grade out to the portables, and they will start working on B Hall. Well, just one or two that I can mention, because there are many when you have a renovation,
Right.
But just the arrival with students was different this year because we do not have any sidewalks in the front of our school. So we had to come up with a different arrival plan for parents to drop off and then for walkers. And then for dismissal, the same thing. We came up with a new plan for dismissal, and so it has worked. And our parents have been very supportive, and so that's just one major difference for us this year with the renovation. It's just, I really want to thank the staff here at Valley Ranch because this is a major renovation, and it has taken a lot on the staff to really modify, to adjust, to be flexible with all of the changes with the renovation. So I just want to give a shout out to the Valley Ranch staff for all of their time and hard work with making this happen, because it's not an easy transition to go from a regular school setting to a renovation setting, and so they've done a great job. It is scheduled to be finished by August of 2025.